And then look who's down there. She hates it. That's the other thing I did is clean the cushions, and they're taking forever to dry.
Well, hello.
You get to take one of me.
Oh, sure.
Here he comes.
Hello.
There, get Kixie. Hey, baby.
He's going out to the islands.
You see all the boats
Be
out
safe.
there, too.
Be safe.
Look at all the boats out there.
Oh, look at that ponytail. Very nice.
Okay. Do you know how to shut up?